Excitement is growing around AI-enabled robotics technology for supply chains, as Symbotic announced it will acquire Walmart's advanced systems and robotics business. The deal is expected to add over $5 billion to Symbotic's future backlog and open up a new product category targeting automated fulfillment of customer orders at the local and store level. The agreement also involves Symbotic developing and deploying an advanced solution for Walmart's accelerated pickup and delivery centers, with initial coverage for hundreds of stores. This acquisition is anticipated to close in Symbotic's fiscal second quarter of 2025. Though it's not all sunshine and rainbows because a securities class action lawsuit filed against Symbotic on behalf of purchasers of Symbotic securities alleges Symbotic improperly accelerated revenue recognition in its 2024 financial statements and had inadequate internal controls over financial reporting. Investors who purchased or acquired Symbotic securities between February 8, 2024 and November 26, 2024 may seek to be appointed as a lead plaintiff representative of the class no later than February 3, 2025. Symbotic is a company focused on improving supply chain efficiency through their system that automates pallet and case processing in large warehouses or distribution centers for major retail and wholesale companies. The Symbotic system accelerates goods movement, improves SKU agility, and ensures order fulfillment with high accuracy, all while reducing inventory and operating costs. Their autonomous mobile robots, Symbots, and AI-enabled software facilitate efficient storage and retrieval processes, helping customers adapt to the growing demands of e-commerce, omni-channel strategies, and faster deliveries. The system is already deployed in warehouses such as for Walmart, C&S wholesale grocers, and Greenbox. The way Symbotic sees it, the supply chain industry has three mismatches: quantity, timing, and location that need to be aligned cost-effectively. They define two common types of warehouses, distribution centers and e-commerce fulfillment centers, and highlights the current manual, inflexible, and expensive nature of these operations. They go on to explain trends within the retail industry supply chain that exacerbate costs and inflexibility, such as labor scarcity and cost, omni-channel strategies, and growing consumer expectations. The company notes how advances in core technologies like robotics, sensors, visual systems, processing power, machine learning, and AI have contributed to improving the supply chain's efficiency. Symbotic systems set out to focus on managing every aspect of warehouse logistics through AI-powered software that optimizes movements, improving delivery quality while reducing costs. As they like to say, the system singulates goods down to the case or item level, enhancing storage density and increasing product throughput. They further state dynamic storage minimizes movement and improves SKU agility, while autonomous mobile robots provide superior flexibility, speed, and inventory handling capabilities. Original package handling ensures minimal damage and rejection rates, and end-to-end integration maximizes efficiency. The system of systems design enhances resiliency, and scalable modularity allows for phased installations and easy expansion to accommodate evolving needs. Symbotic's system functional flow involves handling both palletized and unpalletized goods. Palletized inbound goods are deconstructed, scanned, and then placed into the storage structure by lifts and Symbots. Unpalletized goods are also placed into the system and treated similarly. The AI-enabled software determines optimal placement locations within the storage structure, where Symbots retrieve cases for outbound processing. This includes palletizing various cases together in less than 3 seconds to create a so-called rainbow pallet. Overall, the system comprises intelligent autonomous mobile robots that handle cases with high accuracy, as well as AI-enabled software for dynamic optimization and task management. Other key elements are the system manager, storage and retrieval engine, real-time data analytics software, and robotic cells for depalletizing and palletizing. Symbotic's system is typically sold in 3 parts: initial system sale, software maintenance and support services, and operations services, so that their system is capable of managing each case from warehouse initiation to final placement in customer stores. The company is confident in its competitive positioning because they contend they have upstream expertise that facilitates integration with downstream applications, including its breakpack system, something they say is highly differentiated from competitors who lack automated case-level storage or warehouse expertise, which makes their upstream integration significantly more challenging. The market opportunity for the company is estimated at $321 billion in the US, with more potential to expand geographically by exploring more opportunities in Canada, Europe, the Middle East, and Latin America. An additional $126 billion in market opportunity exists in non-food consumer packaged goods, home improvement, auto parts, third-party logistics, and refrigerated and frozen foods. In time, they plan to expand further into pharmaceuticals and electronics. The company also targets the warehouse-as-a-service market, which has seen significant growth due to demand for flexible and scalable warehousing solutions. Growth strategies focus on further penetrating their customers' operations, winning additional customers in existing verticals, expanding into new verticals such as non-food consumer packaged goods, auto parts, and third-party logistics, and increasing product offerings through partnerships, investments, or acquisitions. Symbotic invested over $800 million in research and development for their supply chain automation system, which is protected by over 700 issued and/or pending patents. Their engineers have extensive robotics and software experience and work on product development at headquarters in Wilmington, Massachusetts, and Montreal, Quebec. Current R&D programs focus on expanding the capabilities of their AI-enabled robots and software, as well as offering new solutions to meet customer needs. They sell their system through direct sales, targeting long-term discussions with senior-level executives from potential clients. Symbotic operates repair service facilities for warranty processing and robot repairs, while also manufacturing with third-party contract manufacturers to scale production capabilities efficiently. They source lifts, fixed-place robots, conveyors, and steel racking equipment from various vendors to complete their systems. Symbotic's success is heavily dependent on its larger customers like AFS, Greenbox, CNS Wholesale Grocers, and UNFI. For example, the relationship with CNS Wholesale Grocers entails Symbotic systems will be operational in CNS's facilities until September 2029, with ongoing software maintenance and support provided by Symbotic. However, there is no guarantee that CNS will continue to be a customer beyond their current contract term. Even though Symbotic has been innovative, they note there are many companies offering point solutions or comprehensive supply chain automation solutions, as well as those focused on e-commerce. The company's ability to compete depends on factors such as price, functionality, performance, and customer retention, meaning it'll be crucial to educate potential customers about the value of automated solutions and integrating them into current operations through Symbotic's system. In the near future, it should become clearer how the acquisition of Walmart's advanced systems and robotics business will influence Symbotic's ability to address such challenges and stay competitive. For more on Symbotic and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.